Good morning, mabuhay and blessed be God forever. I am excited to share to you our luxury-inspired perfume by Glowderm. This brand offers 21 cents for women and 11 cents for men. This perfume is perfect for those who prefer to wear their favorite perfume on the go. This perfume is in a thick, sturdy glass frosted bottle with a spray top. The best seller is Selena, followed by Meow, Cloud, Vanilla Lace, and Eclat. And for men, the best seller for these original inspired perfumes are Black, inspired from Lacoste, followed by Boss from original perfume of Hugo Boss, and Legend, inspired from Mont Blanc. As a reseller of this product, we keep our prices competitive. We utilize this market strategy in both online and offline platforms in order to attract more customers and increase market share. Our one bottle of original inspired perfume is 189 pesos only. Also, we offer discount for buyer who purchase 5 pieces or more. By this pricing strategy, we are not only attracting budget-conscious customers, but also creating a customer's loyalty. Promoting a perfume product is about more than just selling it. It is about creating a memorable and emotionally resonant experience for your customers. With this, we are utilizing various strategies to promote our product, such as gathering and presenting a customer's feedback. By allowing the prospect customers to smell a sample scent of this original inspired perfume. And by utilizing digital marketing, particularly in TikTok affiliate.